Mic check, mic check. Welcome to the channel. This is your boy Trini for VLOGTRiPPiN, the YouTube channel. And I started this channel in 2023. And I had no idea it was going to turn into what it is right now. So small, we still growing. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. But 2023 was a good year for me. I mean, I never traveled so much in my life. Did 8 countries, end up adding 2 more for 10. That's going to be DR and Mexico at the end of the video. And I've been out the country for about 8 months. Got to swim with sharks. Met so many different people. Got in situations like this where I shouldn't have been in. I met so many other fellow travelers that share the same thoughts as me, share the same views as me. Got to live as an expat for a couple of months in Thailand. And all through it, even got to visit Africa, man. I got to go to the motherland. And being a person of the diaspora, it means a lot. It means so much. It's almost spiritual to an extent, and I gotta go back. But being all that said, you know, on the outside, it was probably look like I'm living it up, living my best life, as they say. But you know, on the inside, I'm going through a lot of stuff, like things I probably would never ever talk about. But creating these videos, creating these memories has helped me a lot, almost like a therapy to an extent. And I think better than seeing any therapist is creating this content. And doing this has helped me work through all those things. And I'm happy to say that I'm in a better place than where I started in 2023, even though I'm doing this video in 2024. And I know I'm slow. There's lots of content for me to do. I'm just slow with the editing. I think I might need to hire a team in the near future to get all these videos done. I got like about 8 videos I gotta knock out, take my time, edit, record, things like that. But anyway, I appreciate you for watching this up to this point. I appreciate you for liking it. And you know, my channel is small, but you know, we'll see what it is. But 2024 is looking really good. At this point, I already been to Jamaica, so I don't know if the Jamaica video is coming, but we'll see. But yeah, guys, thanks a lot. Hit that like button for me. Leave me some comments. Oh yeah, shout out to everyone that left me comments. People that hit me up for questions. I had a dude who want to do a consulting with me. I don't know if I'm gonna do that or not, but you know, thanks for the feedback. It motivates me to do more of this stuff and do more videos. So I need you guys to help participate to, you know, if you guys like what you see, for me to make more. You know, share it with your friends. You know, don't keep this your own secret. You know what I mean? Share me with the world as I'm sharing my life with the world. And even doing that is, you know, crazy and risky to an extent, you know what I mean? Because, you know, you might be overexposing yourself. So people are like, oh, he been there. I seen him there. Not that I'm trying to be a celebrity or anything, but it just comes with it. And with that, we're gonna start with the Mexico. The next one, I'm gonna go into Dominican Republic. Oh yeah, shout out to Yanil's Journey. Shout out to AD Fearless, because they invited me to Dominican Republic during Christmas, and I spent time with them. And some of the drone footage is from his drone, so shout out to him a lot. But anyway, enjoy the rest of the clips and highlights. You know what to do. Till next time, I'm out.